Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you footage from Pyramid of Djoser in Saqqara. It's a famous step pyramid, which the first pyramid in the human's history, and it's very interesting because it was closed for decades for reconstruction, and you're gonna see how it was happening, and it's really interesting. So let's go to see my videos. Here you can see the Pyramid of Djoser in the Saqqara. It's a panoramic view, and you can clearly see its six-step structure, and it's very old. Here we also have panoramic view from Saqqara on Dahshur, and you can see Bent Pyramid, Red Pyramid, and mastaba of Shepseskaf. We have video on our channel about. You can see also here, you can see the Djoser step pyramid is right here, and this small hill is Userkaf pyramid in Saqqara. Here is also this is Userkaf pyramid, and here you can see closer this is Userkaf mortuary temple by Userkaf pyramid, and the Djoser step pyramid clearly visible from here. This is really very close locations. So let's go to the next. Next here it's a yard of Djoser mortuary complex, and you can see this step pyramid of Djoser, and surrounding wall and the main entrance you can see columns. It's like propylace. Also here you can see how pyramid structured with this masonry. This is the walls of pyramid. It's very nice, beautiful, and it's really very old. Now it's under erosion, and we're trying to help it to survive, to reconstruct a little bit walls and stuff. This is early dynastic tombs were not excavated yet, and it's I guess it's more older than Djoser pyramid, but you see it's completely filled with sand, and I think it's from the second dynasty, like maybe 200 years before Djoser. This place was sacred place for ancient Egyptians from first dynasty, so that's why people was working here before Djoser built his pyramid. But you can see pyramid is right here. Yeah. This is somebody telling us something about this. And you can see how it was. Here, this is the main entrance from the north side to the Djoser pyramid. Now it's closed because it's dangerous to go inside, and we used the south entrance. Here is Djoser Serdab. It's like stone box from perfectly shaped limestone, and it has a Djoser statue inside, and it has two holes. The statue could watch through the stones what's happening around. It has religious meaning. It means it's the place where like spirit of Djoser lives, and it was really important. It's on the north side, and you can see the quality of this serdab. The stone blocks are polished, and it's drilled two holes for Djoser eyes. Yeah, it's a really nice idea, and we don't see nothing like this in our pyramids. Here you can see the entrance, how we're going into the pyramid. This is south entrance, and it goes straight underneath the dome, because the pyramid has a shaft, deep shaft like 90 feet underground, and it's covered with a dome. I guess it's the first dome that Imhotep built. It's very interesting, and it's really dangerous structure because it's like almost 5,000 years that any stone, any rock can drop and you can see a lot of scaffolding, all shaft filled with scaffolding, because it's only way to go down and up, and it's really deep, and you have these exhausting pipes because it's no air inside. This is how it looks inside the shaft. Of course you can see it's 5,000 years old, and it's really interesting. And scaffolding everywhere. By going down, we can see you can see wood. This is also ancient wood, but we're not sure if it's from Djoser time or it's from late periods, because it was museum during the Sais dynasty, like 2,600 years ago. It was actually first museum in the world, and it was tickets sold to get in to see on Djoser place. It's really interesting and breathtaking to get inside, because not many people visited this structure. It's closed structure because of danger. And you can see all this stone, we sit on this wood, so wood holds all this structure. And we can go down. I'm gonna show you a sarcophagus of Djoser with its lid. This is the walls of shaft. This is actually the north entrance, which I showed you before. We could not get in because it's dangerous. It's like made a niche in the wall which goes up, and it's also huge here. It's very interesting. People was using this entrance. It was actually main entrance, and you can see high quality blocks on the top of this entrance. So it was a lot of job here, but it was huge job to build this shaft actually, because it's limestone, it's not the sand or something, it's built in, dig in limestone. And you can see it's no light, no nothing, we can use only our lights, portable lights, and going down on this scaffolding, and it's really deep. And then almost no air, because it's absolutely closed. It's huge structure, and it's really difficult to believe it was built. You can see how deep we are. This is the top. So now here we are on the top of sarcophagus of Djoser. You can see how it looks with this is granite blocks, and you can see this round lid. Lid is very heavy, it's like 3 tons. It's almost impossible to get it out from this circle. This is it. Thank you for watching my videos, and like, subscribe, and follow us, because it's important for us. Thank you. See you next time.